So good morning everyone. I am Ayush Jadhav and I have been a student of Jha Institute. So we all know what is the importance of English in our daily life. It is actually one of the main medium of communication between humans as well as humans and computers, or computers and computers we can also say. So by having the specific proficiency in English helps you in widening your chances in this modern era. So although my education has thoroughly been in English medium schools since the very starting of my life, but still I was facing a lot of problem with this language. I was not that much fluent, and to be more specific, I can say that I was quite hesitant to speak in front of people, as I was not that much confident that if I can speak well or not, that if I'll not be a joke for them, subject of joke if I do any mistakes. So these were some small problems. These were quite a small problem, we can say, that were with me in earlier stages of my life. So it was my college vacations, and one fine morning I received my newspaper from my hawker, and from that I got the pamphlet of this institute which read like, अब इंग्लिश बोलना और भी आसान, लर्न इंग्लिश बाय मेडिटेशन, इंग्लिश सीखे मेडिटेशन से. So it made me quite curious, because in my previous institution where I used to study earlier, we used to practice meditation in our morning assembly. So because of that, I think my concept for meditation was it was for the calmness of your mind. So how you are able to speak English by doing meditation? So this was the question that arise in my mind. So I came to this institute. So my journey started in this institute with the orientation classes, and there were 2 orientation classes that I got before joining the regular practice. So in those two orientation classes, I got to know about all the practices that I was about to do in the regular classes. Then on the first day of my class, when I entered here, so we were practicing with the music, but as the senior students were also there, they were very much habituated with the practice that we do here in this institute in the regular classes. So they were quite loud, and I was not that much comfortable. I was not even able to hear what I was practicing. So this made me quite uncomfortable to get habituated with the environment. But soon, I think within a week or within 1.5 or 2 weeks, I got habituated with the environment here, and even I also started to practice with the same loudness as the seniors used to do. So after a couple of weeks, I started feeling quite confident for speaking English in front of people, because in the regular classes, we also, apart from the chain meditation that we used to practice, we also used to have many different stage activities. So once you are on the stage, you definitely have to face the crowd, because you don't have any exit from there. So after a few weeks of practice, I started feeling more confident. Since I started getting that fluency, I was confident to speak in front of people. And apart from the regular practice of that chain meditation that we used to do, we also got many stage activities which also helped me in getting the exposure. So after a few weeks of practice, I started feeling more confident to express myself in front of people, because apart from the regular meditation practice that we were doing in our classes, we were also having many stage activities where we have been on the stage and faced the whole crowd, and this has helped ultimately in overcoming our stage fear and being a better public speaker and express ourselves more effectively in front of masses. So if you are willing to overcome your fears of speaking English and to achieve the fluency and the proficiency, you must try the 21 days of free trial classes that are being provided by this institute.